Well, that's kind of ironic, not that anybody cares. 7236, you take it, double the 36, you get 72. Never mind, it's just me that. Here before the court is Mr. Kevin, I'm sorry, not Kevin, I don't know why I said that, Nathan Carnes. On behalf of the people here, also seated at the defense table is Ms. Bridget Cusino. Is it Cusino or Cusino?
It's Cusino. You got it right.
Thank you. Here to set aside a conviction from 22 years ago. All right. Do we have any reports here, Mr. Carnes? Secretary of State, State Police.
Yes, Your Honor, I did receive.
Bring me your copy, because I don't have it. Who can know why he's doing that? Please raise your right hand. You swear or affirm that the information testimony about the shall be the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. To know after this conviction, had you been charged? Had you been convicted of any other criminal offenses?
No.
Did you pay all the fines and costs?
Yep.
Did you serve your time? Look, well, actually,
Yep. I got off probation early. Actually.
yeah, yep. And I see the time, you got time served, so, and all fines and costs were paid, is that correct?
Yep.
All right, thank you. Are you currently pending any cases or charges anywhere in the world?
No, sir.
All right, thank you. Sure. All right, the court notes here that we have a letter from the Attorney General's office confirming that Ms. Cusino is eligible. Also, there is a state police report saying the same thing. She hasn't had anything in 22 years or even before that, as I can tell. Ms. Cusino, are you working nowadays? What are you doing?
Yep. So I manage the Great Clips here in town. I do have a letter from my current boss too. I have 2 kids at home. I've been in town.
So you're working, you've got kids are doing well?
Yeah.
Are they in school?
Yep.
All right.
They do great in school. I have 2 adult kids that are great adults.
All right, thank you. Mr. Carnes? Do you feel any need, I'm sorry, do you have any questions for Ms. Cusino?
I see this underlying incident involved breaking and entering a pharmacy. Did you have any kind of controlled substance issues?
I did. Yep, I did. I've been clean for 21 years as of December 17th. I did finish through this court. I finished rehab. I did a 60 days of rehab.
Congratulations. That was my follow-up. What have you done to address that? Are you still addressing that, George?
I mean, not really. I haven't relapsed. I've never relapsed. I don't smoke. I don't drink. I don't.
Okay, thank you. Those are the only questions I have. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much. Mr. Carnes, you want to return your copies of the paperwork back to you from the AG and MSP. Now, did you, Mr. Carnes, get a copy of an order per chance?
I did
The
not.
motion. All right, thank you. Ms. Cusino, did you, when they print this off, or when you print these off, there should be an order. Do you have anything at the top, anything else that says order?
A lot of paperwork involved.
It's okay. Just look for anything else that has to deal with this motion that has what I would call a heading at the top that looks like this.
Yep.
And then it should say order. Order on motion to set aside.
Those were for the dismissals.
What? Oh, this final?
No,
All right, thank you.
I do not.
One moment. Mr. Carnes, your position on behalf of the people?
Your Honor, the petitioner appears to qualify, and the people don't object.
For the form number. All right. The ruling I'm going to make is pretty simple. The court finds the defendant is eligible for a set aside pursuant to Michigan law, which is set forth underneath MCL 780.621, that the interests of justice do not require the defendant to carry on the conviction on her record anymore. One moment. Again, she has completed all of her probation, payment of fines and costs. She has no other cases pending. No other convictions occurred thereafter. Or the court will grant the motion to set aside. Ms. Cousineau, what's going on right now is that I'm trying to remember and find out what the order or the file number is.
MC 228, Your Honor.
All right. So, Ms. Cousineau, I've granted what you've asked for, but nothing will happen until I sign an order. It is the responsibility of the party prevailing to prepare an order. So if you go online and you type in SCAO forms, stands for State Court Administrator's Office, there will be one underneath, and it should be underneath the criminal forms, I believe. And the problem is sometimes they put these under felonies, even though you can get them underneath set aside for misdemeanors. You would think that would require common sense, that it would be underneath the one that says criminal disposition. Not. And I think Mr. Carnes was correct. I hate to admit that out loud on the record, but I did so. Yes. MC 228. That's just the form number. If you were to look at the file the document that you filed, at the bottom you would see that it says MC 227.
Okay, that makes sense.
Isn't that an old TV show? 227?
Yes.
Yes, thank you very much. All right, so anyways, MC 228. And if you look online underneath that scale forms, if you go to criminal felony, look through there, you'll find it. You bring it to my office, which is on the other side of that wall, and then I'll sign it. Then once you get it signed by me, then you're going to take it down to the clerk's office. Then, after about 3 months, you don't have to do this, but I would encourage anybody to do this. I did do it for everyone. Go back online and look at your criminal history to make sure that it was expunged.
Okay.
Okay? But the reason is because it takes multiple people. It's on a computer to make the right thing disappear from the right computer, which isn't housed here. It's housed in Lansing. Now I sit on the board for the program that runs this, but so therefore I can guarantee and tell you, you want to go on about 3 months later and check to make sure it got expunged, okay? And if there's ever an issue, all you got to do is bring it back. I guarantee you, nobody's going to mess it up intentionally.
Right.
And I've never had this, our clerk's office, but when I was a defense attorney, on occasion, you find that it didn't get done. Do you have any questions?
Not at all.
All right,
Thank
so,
you so much.
yep, verbally, I've given you what you asked for, but it doesn't count till I sign a
So
piece of
get
paper.
the order.
All right, thank you.
This is way easier than the first process. I think.
Well,
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
we aim to please,
Yeah.
well, not always. Thank you very much, Kuzino. Good luck.